Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? It's so cold again and the temperatures are in -11 and -12. So friends, today my children wanted to eat something yummy and some tortilla thing, and they said we want to eat something like cilantro or like any spinach or something. So I had cilantro and I said, okay, let's make cilantro. And it was a really, I've never posted any videos about this. So I said, okay, let's do some cilantro tortillas today. Yum, yum, yum. So here I'm trying to sieve the wheat flour because I've seen so many videos where people are saying that the wheat flour which they bought from the stores has insects and worms. So I'm trying to sieve over here and try to see how much impurities I get. So I think I didn't get anything. We are good. My wheat flour is still fresh and good, and it doesn't have any insects or worms. So here I'm adding some spices. This is chaat masala. Here I'm adding some ginger powder. So here I'm putting some black salt. So here I'm adding some black pepper. So here I'm adding some chili powder, paprika, not all of it. Here I'm adding some carom seeds, and this will give a very good flavor and good for digestion. So here I'm using one bunch of cilantro, and I've washed it well. I'll be just chopping its leaf and keeping the back part just like that, and see using it in my freezer bag. I'm just chopping it now. Just chop how much fine you can chop. I'll just freeze the rest and use it in my other foods. So these are the sticks and the back of the cilantro. I don't need this, so I'll just put this in my freezer bag and keep it for other foods. So here I'm putting everything in this bag so that I can use it. So I'm adding all this chopped cilantro in this tortilla flour. I'll be kneading it nicely and making cilantro tortillas. So here the chopped cilantro. Just try to first try to knead how much moisture is there, so that the wheat flour will absorb all its moisture. Sometimes it will so happen that we don't require water also if there's too much of moisture, but I had washed the cilantro from almost 3-4 hours and I kept it for drying. So first we'll do this and try to coat every cilantro leaf with the tortilla flour. Here I'm trying to add very little water, just like 4 spoons, and then knead it. So here I've just taken half spoon of ghee, and I'll just roll it all over and try to knead into a more soft dough. So just roll it. Just do the folding method. Just keep folding. Just keep folding. Again fold. Just, it should neither be too hard nor too soft. See, when I put my fingers, the two fingers just leave its impression. So this is how it looks, and we'll keep it over here in a container for half an hour and make some tortillas. So here I've stored it in a container. After half an hour, I'll make tortillas, cilantro tortillas, our favorite in my family. So here it's been 10 minutes. I've kept it over for 10 minutes, and now I'll make medium size balls. And how much thickness of the tortillas you want, you can do that much of balls. Just do little round and give it a good shape, so that now we have to dust our hands because it will be sticky. So like that I'll do 3 or 4 balls and start making the tortillas and serve them hot, and it's so yummy. So I've dusted over here well, and then I'm trying to just dust off the extra which we don't need, and now I'll just start rolling. And you can make in any shape, any size you want. If you like thick, keep it thick, and if you want to make it light and thin tortillas, you can do that also. In my house, I like it little medium thick, so I'll not do much. Again, I'll have to dust because you don't want the tortilla to stick to your where you're doing the tortillas. It should not stick, otherwise the whole tortilla gets ruined. Just keep shoveling from all the edges, and you can make out how much thickness you want. This is the thickness which my family likes, so I'll just be doing only this much, and it's only so much if you can see my fingers. And now I've kept it on medium heat, and it is still, yeah, it's better, and it will start getting cooked now. So here I'm doing the second one, so I'll follow the same procedure and just dust it. Again, start rolling. Roll, roll, roll. It is the best tortilla, you know, eating with cilantro. If you love cilantro, you love this, and you don't need anything else with it. Actually, you can just eat it plain. You can have it with little ghee, with olive oil, and if you want some dip, you can have like ketchup and all. See the thickness, friends, again. So it's like this. So you roll how much you require. It's so nice. So now I took a ladle, and I'll just try to do upside down. Then I'll just take a nice plate and serve it hot. It's so yummy. This can be done. If you are comfortable, you can use your hand also. Now I see that there are good brown marks. I can already smell so much of cilantro. Now just take a little a spoon of ghee and just rotate it all over the sides. If you want to put olive oil, you can put olive oil, avocado oil, whatever oil you feel it's healthy and it suits you. Just take this and just invert it again, and see the smoke coming out, friends. So yummy. I can smell the ghee, I can smell the cilantro, and I can smell the tortilla. If you are not comfortable, don't do it with your hand, just use the spatula. So here the tortilla got cooked. If you are giving it to your babies, just fold it and give it to them. Others have the first bite, and you can always tear it, and these are so soft that you can only use your 3 fingers. See, only 2 fingers you could peel out the whole tortilla, and it looks so yummy. Enjoy. So friends, how nice and easy recipe it was. Just knead your flour, cut cilantro, add some spices, just whatever greens you have, you can just chop those greens like this and just have it, and you don't need any dip with it, any solid vegetable with it, or anything like liquidy. So you can just have it with a cup of yogurt also, and that also is very good, and it tasted so good, and my kiddos and my family just enjoyed. So I hope you all liked my little video and a new recipe from my side, and hope you all liked it. And if you have liked it, share it with your friends, family, uncles, aunties, brothers and sisters, grandparents. Okay, friends, and if you have liked it, like it, share, subscribe, comment, and shower me with all the love you have. Love you all. Bye. Thank you.